Here we go, as promised. This is week number 2 of looking after these abandoned puppies. They seem to be progressing quite well. The female one who's over here has actually got her eyes open. I'm not sure if you can appreciate this from the video. Or actually right now she's got her eyes closed. There's a little bit of a sad story to add to this week's video. There were 5 puppies that were found. I was given 3 to look after. Unfortunately, the other 2 have passed away, haven't made it through the first week. So I do hope that these ones will survive. Like I say, anyone living in Spain who's seen this video might want to adopt one. Send me an email, hello@christinahodgson.com. And here you go, the 3 of them look actually like they've been a bit about on a pub crawl or something, rolling around the floor.